Philly's vlog, fool.
Philly's vlog?
Hey, nomás cocinando la...
Haciendo los güeyes un rato.
Hey. Aquí está el hiki que no kiki. El kiki. Ya nomás, era carne asada, queso fresco. Está el compañero.
Chinga, what's up?
Unos 22 años, ¿verdad?
23, güey, actually.
23 años. Oh, it looks sick, fool. Look, the red. I think you can see it.
We're gonna show them right now.
Like the process.
Yeah, broskies, we're gonna show you guys how to basically the steps that we use on the door, like how to sand it, and then we're gonna show you what pads we use and what compounds and all that stuff. So, ahorita, we'll be back. Espérate.
Here's a quick little look around of the G. It's black with red flake actually. Some baller ass wheels, look. Más. ¿Y les qué andas haciendo? Aquí tenemos el compa Socal Salways. Ya nomás. Puro gang. This is Amador's Skyline. Who hasn't driven it like in 2 months. He washed it out today. Check out the Go Flake right there. Red tint. Compa Jose. Check this one. It's polished wheel gangs, who? Stay low. Stay slow. But not mentally slow, like car slow. So get your stuff straight. Ya nomás. Gang. Regón. Nomás le faltan unos blast pipes. Y más low. 326 wing. Look at that camera right there too. Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you guys the interior real quick of the IS. I swapped it out to black suede just because I don't like the tan. So look, I just picked this Vertex wheel like probably not too long ago, a couple days. It's pretty sick, better than the Nardi. You know, some little JDM chandeliers. You know, no nomás, puro negro. Me gustan los negros. But yeah, what do you guys think, bros? Little todo negro, puro black suede. It goes good with the interior. Looks Gucci, guys. Gucci. Make sure you guys to the back. Kind of mass. It's alright. It's not perfect, but I was gonna redo the starlights, the Rolls Royce lights, but la neta medio flojera. It's a lot of work. But yeah, guys, that's the interior for Daniel Sands IS. That was like a mean documentary, fool.
Fucking doorway, yeah? Chingao. A ver, let's switch the camera to this guy. Alright, so right here on this door, we basically already like ready to start buffing. So we used we started with the 1200 first, and then we went with the 1500, and then we finished it off with a 2000 grit. So this is how it came out. By the time we're done finish buffing it should look like this.
Oh yeah, this was way clean. This one's way brighter.
What? Yours?
Yours? It's on auto.
Dale el pinche mano para que se mire verga. So once you go over it a couple times, wipe it down and check your work. ¿Sí o no, Daniel-san?
¿Qué dice el público?
¿Qué dice el público?
Está buena la carne.
¿Ya está la carne, güey? Sí hay.
El cumpleañero trabajando.
Mira, pinche, it's my birthday and I'm over here working.
Todos se pachan atrás y...
Hey. Ahorita, déjame más terminar esta door. Showing the broskies, you know? But yeah, mira. I like to do like
Piece by piece, no?
yeah, piece by piece. Because if you start doing the whole thing at once,
You're missing spots.
yeah, you're gonna miss some spots. So I kind of rather do it little by little. But yeah, this is the sponge I use for the compound. Either this one or the white one, the wool. But so far, this one's working pretty good.
1,000 I picked up today.
You guys want tacos? ¿Ya están?
Somebody's ready for.
Fuck it. Just go get some tacos and then we'll come back.
Ahí está. ¿Están buenos?
¿Están buenos o no?
That's just still gonna be there, güey.
Did a warm-up taco. Estás hasta sudando, güey. Oh, I've been sweating full all day.
That's all vlog?
That's all the block. It's over there, güey. The good one's over there already in the tank.
Ah, güey, se vas a cortar el dedo, güey.
La cabecita, la cabecita.
How old are you, güey? El Chef Boyardee.
Contaré la historia de una famosa persona. Todos la conocen. Todos gonna check it, it's a leak. Like left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Where we from? Baby, don't you wanna dance with me? I don't know. Heading off the roads like I love it or not. Maybe not.
That means all you back here.
¿Mira nomás?
You want to take a picture of here?
Hola, papi.
Esos güeyes.
Otra vez.
¡Ah!
Sorry.
La que las mañanitas.
¡Ah! Con banda, güey, o con Vicente, güey.
Alguien, Ramón Ayala, algo.
Alguien más perro, güey, ¿no? Que valga la pena el pinche demonetize, güey.
I am burning the shit out of my fingers right now.
Tú dale, güey.
Ey, si de por si no tengo pelo, güey, me estoy quemando los únicos pelos que tengo, güey.
¿Vas a prender esa madre? Es like 99% on todo.
Dale.
No,
La gorra, güey. Ahí tira, ahí está. Mira.
because coronavirus, ¿verdad?
Ya se armó.
Eso ni muy cara.
No, güey, ahora sí le voy a pegar el coronavirus, güey. Muérdele.
Show how.
Slam dunk.
Mira, ya se enojó, güey.
Ella les hizo enojar y
No, she still feels it. She's like, what the fuck?
No, she's mad. Look at her face. She's mad.
Chingue su madre.
She wanted to throw up, ¿viste?
Dice que era de...
That's like strawberry
No, que era
adentro.
de... ¿Qué era, güey?
De guayaba.
Guayaba, güey.
Yeah, it has something inside like that.
Chingue su madre. It's gonna cut up the broskies, güey.
No. Not playing.
No, yo.
Tiene que comer
Ah,
todo
chingado.
esto.
What the hell are you doing?
Se parte en circle.
Y ahí los hacen
Oh, sí.
slices.
¿Quién dijo?
That's how you do.
Yeah.
I mean, that's
A ver, vamos a hacer un review, güey, a ver si es cierto.
Y ese para el desayuno.
Está bueno, ¿eh?
Y mira, bueno, ¿no?
Nah, much, I don't know. No sé. How big you guys want it?
Así de big o small?
Está para llevar, güey.
Chivoloso.
Ay, nada más en las noches, güey. Mira. ¿Para qué te mueves, güey? Es mío, güey. Mira. Agarré mi parte, güey.
Not good. Yeah. I like it.
Looks good.
Está bueno. Está a little sticky, güey. Is it because of the hot?
The what?
Because it was hot today?
No, está frío, güey.